Now I am in one of my favorite locations in Hyderabad, and that is this location. I mean, it is really very beautiful over here. So yeah, I'll soon let you know why I came to this place and why I am here. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, this is Prem Mahakali. Welcome back to my channel. So the video that you have watched right before this intro is a part of the vlog that I've shot few weeks ago, but I couldn't put it up on YouTube because I did not complete the vlog, and also it had multiple reasons which I might be disclosing in the coming up videos. Right now I am here to record the audio of that particular vlog because the location where I was shooting the vlog, it was very windy and the audio couldn't get recorded. So this is how it started. A day I got a crazy idea of shooting a bike riding or bike commercial kind of a video with two of my friends who are my intermates too and who love bike riding and who are decent enough in that. So yeah, I call them. Hello mama.
చెప్పరా
షూట్ చేద్దామా?
చేద్దామా
చేద్దాం. లొకేషన్ పంపిస్తా, ఫ్రైడే ఈవినింగ్ చేసేస్తా.
ఓకే
And I discussed whatever I wanted to shoot with them, and they were like fine with it. And yeah, we decided a location, the location that I've showed you in the video before the intro. And yeah, we decided to meet on Friday evening at the location somewhere around sunset time so that we could shoot good cinematic video. I am with Sai Teja, as you know, and that is Vamshi, and this is Hariharan. These two are my inter friends who love riding bikes and stuff. So yeah, let's go.
Can grow so we found out.
Well, the motive was to shoot a cinematic commercial or a film that I thought of, I had an imagination of, and yeah, I'm going to show you a bit of it.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me
So that day shoot was done for the day, and we were returning back from the location. While coming back, we encountered a small dhaba near that place, and the lights in that dhaba were amazing. Well, I was pretty stoked by that dhaba because the lighting in the dhaba was really crazy, and I was craving to shoot a lot of pictures over there. And yeah, the person who owns that dhaba was actually kind to us and actually did let us shoot there. So yeah, I ended up clicking classic pictures. I mean, at least I loved them, and yeah, have a look of them.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high.
So after this shoot, I was very satisfied by the shoot because finally I felt it was a very productive day to shoot, and yeah, I was really ready for the second day. But I couldn't end up going to the shoot on the second day because I had to fly to Agra on the same day, and it was a very sudden decision to take. So I came back from Agra and I did not complete the shoot yet, obviously. So yeah, I will be completing the shoot and there will be a vlog coming up about it. And yes, there will be a short cinematic film that will be popping up in your YouTubes if you have subscribed, which I believe you really did because you are very good people. So do subscribe to my channel if you have liked this video. Do like the video, and until next time, peace out. Yeah, comment down whatever you want to tell me or whatever you want to suggest me in the comment section below. And yeah, my Instagram handle is given below in the description. Do check that out because I post whatever I click on that page of mine. Do follow the page if you really like the page, and yeah.